Hi guys, David again with another unboxing. Today I have a large oversized box and without causing so much harm. All right, I'm actually going to pull one part out. As you guys can see, it's a tray. This came out really quick. And of course, here's the stand. Let's see what else is in this magic box. We have the bracket that holds the bike. Plastic, like a hard plastic. Metal. And over here, we have some instructions, some foam. We have here a plastic shelf. And of course, it clamps in here. And, oh, it goes like this. And of course, you get it tight where you want it. Easy. Probably won't use it. Now this metal is held by a nut and a bolt. And of course, this is plastic also. This has got rubber. Almost like a plastic rubber. It's weird material. It's good enough to protect your bike. And of course, you clamp your frame right here. And it's got a nice little lock washer. I mean, like lug nut, 9-lock nut in here. So that's that. It's only 3 pieces. The frame, the clamp head, and the plastic tool shelf. And instructions are very easy. And of course, just information. Thank you for purchasing our fine product. And at this price, I thought this was gonna be a little less quality, but it's actually not that bad. This is huge. So this also telescopes in and out. It's got a little clamp right here. You get it close enough and tying it up is a quick release. I like that. Then of course the legs. Let me get this out. Get my paper out. And oh, it's a 4-leg. I thought it was 3 legs. And I'm not gonna be able to fit here. All right. So once you mount your bike right here, get it nice and tight. You can literally loosen this up and rotate your bike around. And you can do whatever adjustment you need to do. You make your adjustments on the bike. Adjust your detailer, front and back, adjust your brakes, do any work with it. So it's that simple. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.